If it turns out it's time to service the mechanical side of your fuel pump, well, Holley offers a couple kits to do that. One is the check valve kit, and the other is the rotor and vane kit. Both of these cost about 30 bucks together.
Okay, to get us going, we want to first remove these bolts and the bottom plate. Here's where you can put your cell phone camera to good use. That way you'll know the exact position of the parts when it's time to put them back together. Including the screen, which comes out now, then the rotor vanes and rotor. Next, remove the pressure relief screw and relief plunger. All right, next, before anything else, we're going to give this housing a little cleanup job with some spray-on carb cleaner. Whatever you do, don't ever submerge one of these electric pumps in anything, or you could damage the motor. Now, our housing looks pretty clean, but oftentimes here on the inlet side, pieces of rubber or Teflon can get lodged in here and disrupt the flow. We're about ready to install our new parts, but first we want to make sure this new plunger moves freely inside the housing. If it didn't, we'd have to dress it up with an emery claw. So we can go ahead and drop this little rubber seat in the end of our plunger. In goes the plunger, new spring and O-ring. Now I can drop the screen in place, just like in the photo. New rotor and the vanes. And the final step is to swap out the housing gasket. Torque the bolts to about 50 inch-pounds.